Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I hate sprinklers. Less than 24 hours ago, I put this bed together and had my first night's sleep in it. I'm not gonna lie, my back is a little bit messed up and it's harder. It makes the mattress harder. I'm gonna have to get like a mattress topper or something. I got off Amazon Prime because I was like, what am I paying for? When I ordered this bed, and then I also ordered a new, what's it called? The blanket that goes over everything. Comforter. I ordered a new comforter. They took 4 weeks to get here, $40 in shipping. I got so quick back on Amazon Prime, it ain't even funny, y'all. Look at that view, buddy.
Welcome back. Please take
Thank
your
you.
package and
Alright, this is the cover I currently have. Going out to eat. I like to do this once a week. Kind of gets me out of my apartment. Right behind me is El Salvador, the restaurant I was talking about. Let's get it. It was good as usual. That's why I always come here. That's why they always have my table set up for me, because I come here at the same time. But you know, it's okay. Set up for one. Someday that'll change. Hopefully. Maybe. I'm going to walk all the way down the strip. It's about a mile from where I'm at right now. And go to Walgreens and peruse the shelves for a minute. That's the sound of Tennessee, y'all. Okay, wouldn't it be nice if like a store only sold one product? The one product that actually works instead of getting me 50. I mean, look at this. All for pain. All supposed to do the same exact thing. Okay. I used to play because so my house is a freaking wreck and pigsty. And I've let it just go on for too long. I've made excuses because of my arm, but now I just can't take it anymore. This closet took me forever. I completely redid it. Flannel, getting ready for bed. Clean, mopped floors. Way different than earlier. Okay, not the kitchen. And the bathroom, I just got to sweep and mop. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Isn't that what you're supposed to do? Bro? sprinklers went off in one guy's bed. You know? Ending to the vlog. Okay, so because the sprinkler system's going off, water is coming into my apartment. Next door, the lady's apartment is ruined. The upstairs apartment is ruined. This is crazy. Due to the sprinkler system, and they're figuring out how to turn off that individual apartment's alarm. It's still going off. A lot of excitement. A lot of... Half my apartment's in water. Somehow in my mind, I never pieced together that when sprinkler systems go off in one room, it's gonna soak all the surrounding rooms. I have a barricade of blankets. They're soaked. The water's already getting past the barricade. This whole area and my kitchen area is absolutely soaked.